Hello students and welcome to Toppscholars. Today we are going to be learning about another interesting topic, that is the structure of the kidney, nephron and their function. Students, the excretory system is one of the most important systems of our body which takes care of all the waste products which are formed inside our body to the various parts of the excretory system. You might be thinking, what exactly is the excretory system made up of? Let me tell you students, it is made up of the primary excretory organ is the kidneys, and we have a pair of kidneys. Then we have a pair of long tubes called as the ureters which carry the urine from the kidney, as you can see, to the urinary bladder. Then we have a single median urinary bladder which collects and temporarily stores urine, and finally we have a single median tube called as the urethra which throws out the urine from the body outside. So students, the four parts of the excretory system are a pair of kidneys which are the primary excretory organ, after which we have a pair of ureters, then a urinary bladder and then a single median tube called the urethra. Let us first talk about the kidney and let us learn the structure of the kidney. Do you see this beautiful diagram? What you see here is the external structure of the kidney. But we are more interested in seeing what lies inside the kidney. So students, let us do one thing. Let us cut open the kidney lengthwise and see what lies within. So let us cut open the kidney, and what you see here now is the beautiful internal structure of the kidney. Students, internally the kidney is divided into two parts. The outer part is called as the cortex and the inner part, which is the larger one, is called as the medulla. Pay attention to the diagram students. The outer part which is highlighted here is the cortex. And do you see those small pyramidal structures inside? That is the medulla students. The medulla is in the form of these kind of pyramids which are anywhere between 7 to 20 in a human kidney. Students, also remember the cortex appears to be very granular due to presence of the structural and functional unit of the kidney called as the nephron, whereas all the tubes of the nephron lie in the medulla. Therefore, the medulla appears to be striated. Now students, let us turn our focus to the next one, that is the nephron. I just mentioned about the nephron. Students, now let us talk about the nephron. And here you might be wondering, what exactly is a nephron? If you remember, I just mentioned nephron in the previous topic. I was talking about it being the basic unit of the kidney. So students, this nephron is the basic structural as well as the basic functional unit of our human kidney. And it performs many important functions for which it has different parts. Let us see the following parts. Firstly, it has a glomerulus, followed by the bowman's capsule, and finally the renal tubule. So the three parts are glomerulus, bowman's capsule and the renal tubule.
To learn more about this video, download Toppscholars app.